Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
I think so.
I have a long trip today.
I know. Be careful. Breakfast is almost ready.
Thank you. Are you feeling okay?
I'm just a little tired.
Maybe you should rest today.
Don't worry about me. Your trip is important. I'll be fine.
Good morning, everyone. Morning, Mom and Dad.
Let's enjoy breakfast together.
Oh, everything smells so good. Mom, aren't you hungry? I'm just not very hungry.
You still don't look well.
I'll get some rest later.
I'll be back in a few days.
We'll miss you, Dad.
Listen to your mom, Luna.
I promise.
Take care of your mom and sister.
I will, Dad.
Call me if you need anything.
Have a safe trip.
Dad is gone now.
He'll be back soon.
Do you want some help?
It's okay. I can do it. Oh, I feel a little dizzy. Maybe I just need a short break.
Mom, can I help? Thank you, sweetie. Is this right?
You're doing great.
I'll finish this part. Thank you, Alex.
My head hurts a little. I'll be okay.
The flowers look pretty. They really do. Oh, Mom, you should sit down. Just one more minute. You don't look well.
I'm just tired. What would you like for lunch?
Anything is fine.
Oops. I dropped it.
Please let me do it. You're very kind. Mom, are you sure you're okay? I think so.
I suddenly feel cold. That's strange.
Mom, please sit down. I can finish lunch first.
I've got you.
Please lie down, Mom.
Okay, just for a little while.
Are you comfortable? Thank you, sweetheart.
Why do I feel so cold? This is unusual. I think you have a fever.
I hope not. Let's check Mom's temperature. Okay, I'll get the thermometer.
Let's check your temperature.
Okay.
What does it say? Mom has a fever. What should we do? Let's call Dad.
Alex, what happened? Is Mom okay?
Mom has a fever. She looks very tired.
Don't panic. Help Mom rest first.
I'm getting the towel. I'll be careful.
Does this help? A little.
Please drink some water.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Make something warm for Mom? Maybe some soup?
I'll do my best. We can do it together. I'll help you. Let's work together. It smells really good. I hope Mom likes it. We made this for you.
Thank you, my sweethearts. It's delicious. Really? Do you feel better now? Not yet.
Dad, Mom still has a fever. What should we do?
See if there's any medicine left. Check the cabinet.
I can't find any. We're out of medicine.
Go to the pharmacy nearby. Ask the pharmacist for help.
It's raining outside. I know. Stay with Mom while I'm gone. I promise.
Please be careful. I'll come back soon.
Please wait for me. I'll be right back.
How can I help you?
My mom has a fever. She has a headache and chills.
I understand. Please follow these directions.
Thank you so much. I'm almost home. Hang on, Mom.
Alex will be back soon.
I know he will.
Thank you for staying with me. I don't want you to be alone.
You're back! I got the medicine. Let's read this carefully.
Okay.
Thank you, my loves. We love you, Mom.
Try to get some sleep. I will. How is it now? The fever is lower.
You're getting better. I feel much better.
How is everyone doing?
Mom is feeling better. I'm proud of both of you.
We just wanted to help.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Families take care of each other.